Hello friends. The fern is a symbol of extraordinary life force, enduring to overcome all difficulties to rise up in life. Besides, it also brings good luck and attracts a lot of luck and fortune to people in life. A hand-painted fern leaf combined with a retro background color on wood slice paintings. A wood slice painting is an ideal gift for Hogmanay, the New Year, Burns Night, St. Andrew's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and Thanksgiving, and also makes ideal gifts for birthdays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, christenings, and other special events. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.